Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Logical Heroes. I'm Mitch, aka Robakis.
I'm Trevor.
And today we got episode 7 of Chainsaw Man. We are past the halfway point now. What's the demon's name that we're in? Eternity.
Eternity.
Yeah. So
I
last
thought it was like the time devil. It's devils, Mitch. They're gonna come at you in the
Oh,
comments.
fuck, did I say demon again?
I know. It's so fucking hard. It's so hard. The devils.
I'm just gonna say demon just to piss people off now because I still think it should be demon. Anyways, last episode we got into a lot of stuff with that devil. Holy shit. All right, we'll get into last week's episode, but before we do, if you want to drop a like and subscribe down below, it'd be greatly appreciated. Bringing a Chainsaw Man every Tuesday. We try. Sometimes we bring it out every Wednesday. We also got Discord, Twitter, Instagram, Patreon. The link's down below. Our Patreon is now doing, instead of watch-alongs, we just have the unedited version for you guys of this episode. So no banner and stuff in front of it or anything like that. Before, you had to do the watch-alongs. You had to pull up on your other monitor if you had one. Anyways, it's better.
So much better.
Yes, you get this usually a couple days ahead of you would on YouTube. So yeah, go and support us there. Patreon. Trev, what happened last weekend? Or last week?
Last episode, it was they were in the trap of eternity, right? And it's like that loop, and they just can't get out. And they're starting to like. Two of the members were starting to freak out. The two lower ones, I forget their names, but they pissed me off. I kind of hope they die in this episode when it wraps up.
Because they broke.
Yeah, they broke, and the one girl, she actually stabbed Aki when she was trying to kill Denji. So Aki's like, he's like bleeding. So he's almost dead, and he's one of the most powerful ones. Then it was the reason Aki got stabbed was because the girl, the one that broke, she was trying to kill Denji and feed him to the Eternity Devil, because the Eternity Devil's like, hey guys, I'll make a deal.
Yeah.
If you guys give me that boy to eat, then I'll let you go, in a sense. And they were all thinking about it, and they're all gonna die, honestly. Like, they never dealt with this kind of devil before. So it seems like they were thinking about it, but then they're like, nah, we can't do that to Denji. But then Denji's just like, I'll do it myself. And he jumped in, and I believe he fucking pulled the chainsaw when he jumped in, right?
Pulled the cord.
He pulled that fucking cord. Let's go.
Yeah.
That sounds sexual, but it's badass. So don't even think about making that sexual, guys.
Too late. But yeah, last episode was really fucking good. I liked it a lot. He's gonna survive, obviously, just because it's a show. But like, it's like, I don't know what's gonna happen because he's now going into the
I don't know, man. All I know is that Denji, fucking Chainsaw Man, when he goes Chainsaw Man, he's powerful as fuck.
Yeah.
So I don't really doubt him right now, and he's literally just, it's just like, this would be maybe his third fight.
Yeah.
So I think he's gonna win. I think he's gonna fuck up Eternity.
100%.
Let's go, Denji.
100%. All right, let's stop talking. Let's get into it.
Let's go, Denji.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, he did right away. He pulled it and then he jumped. Oh. Yeah, but he ain't getting swallowed, boy.
Oh no!
Let's go! Somebody needs to go to the dentist. Let's go, buddy. Oh shit! Yeah, Wolverine that.
Dude. He's a butcher, man.
Those devils must have like a beef with each other, you know? Whoa!
It's still on. There we go.
Dude. This fight is wild, dude. This is some Doctor Strange shit. Rated R.
Holy shit.
Dude, this is so cool.
This music is dope.
Then go help him, Power.
Oh shit.
She's right. You guys can feed him blood and he can just keep healing.
Sorry, guys.
Actually, Aki's bleeding. Go drink his fucking blood.
Oh damn. Okay, now he's not doing so well. Anymore? Okay.
恐怖が悪魔の力になるからな。一緒に仕事
Oh,
し
does
て
she
みて
fear him?
飽きなやつはどうだ。
I don't know.
まともか。
10野郎を殺そうとしてる人がまともなわけないじゃないですか。
Oh, I can't wait to get
お前も
introduced to that.
10野郎を
I love
殺
this
したくて
backstory.
公安に入ったんだろう。その頭のネジはぶっ飛んでいるか。
See.
ぶっ飛んでません。
そう。お前もだがな、10野郎をぶっ殺したいなんて大体のデビルハンターが思ってる。
Fuck, everyone's out to get him?
It must be the most powerful. Or
Makes
one of
sense.
them, at least.
だが、ネジがぶっ飛んでるやつは何を考えてるかわからない。
Why the Joker's so
悪魔の理解
good.
的もんは怖がる
What is he thinking?
Bum, bum, bum.
師匠、酒飲み好きですよ。
もんだ。はい、
Bastard.
それまとも。日々の積み重ねがネジを緩めんだ。
You think this guy's dead now?
If he's not around, he's in the intro.
Oh, then I hope so.
ネジは硬いままだぞ。俺は帰る。アキはまだまだ雑魚だから鍛えとけ。
Aki's a fucking badass now.
ゆっくりじゃダメだ。アキの野郎、本気で肉片集めてるだろう。あいつはそのうち10野郎にたどり着くぞ。
Shit. I want to see what this gun devil looks like.
It'll be an end of the season thing. How much you want to bet?
Yeah.
嫌だ。嫌だ。嫌だ。嫌だ。嫌だ。嫌だ。嫌だ。
Yugi.
嫌だ。アキくん、一緒に
I
さ、
don't know.
民間に転職しない？かなりいい額でお誘い来てるんだ。10野郎なんて追わなくてもさ、お昼はここか
Why
どっ
aren't you
かで
trying to
食
talk
べ
him
て、
out of it?
帰りはたまに映画行って。そういう毎日でいいじゃん。
Just doesn't want anyone else to
付き合いま
die.
す。で
Hmm?
も民間には絶対
Doesn't
行きま
want
せん。
anyone else to die, I guess.
杏仁豆腐もらいます。
Alright.
タバコ一本送れ。10の悪魔と戦ったら絶対ヤキ君は殺される。私たちがまだ実力不足だからでも、相手が一瞬で何百人も殺せる悪魔だからでもない。
Oh, is that all?
Damn.
だってヤキ君
I think that's the one reason. So cool. Okay, so you're crushing on him.
普
Yes.
通の人だから。
He wants his wee wee. Let's go. He's still
Whoa.
going. Oh boy.
Oh, his neck like
Holy
twisted.
shit.
Oh, dude, don't go up his butt. Oh, thank God. I didn't like that view.
Oh, they're gonna pull the. Oh, it's the ghost hand. What?
That's cool.
俺に切られて血流して俺がてめえの血飲んで回復か永久期間が完成しまったねこれでノーベル賞は俺も
Oh my God.
I love this.
Him laughing.
この最高にネジがぶっ飛んでる男なら10野郎を殺せるかもしれない。
Oh, you get happy
Okay.
like that.
Oh my god.
Awesome. Bro, this animation, like, this is so trippy to, like, the way they're fighting.
Yeah.
It doesn't make sense. He's just in this fucking room of eternity. I don't like the voices.
The fuck is going on?
アキくん、まだ生きてる。
Have they been fighting this whole time? Oh my
Sounds like,
God.
doesn't sound like they're done.
3 days!
ヤーコ
Holy
み
shit.
んなで酒飲みに行こう。終わったから。
It's over.
終わった。
Oh my god.
るのかプール入ってる
Over already. It's been 3 days, bro.
Oh. I love that. Look at him.
出るんだ
Bro, that'd feel trippy.
Yeah.
肉片も取れたし晴れてるしクソした後みてえな気分だぜ
What
Whoa,
the
aren't you
fuck?
supposed to have that piece in the bag because it could like just shoot away?
ねえちょっとずっと寝ずに悪魔殺し続けてたから
Oh
ね
my god, that's how long this went for. Over
ア
3
キさんと
days.
デンジ君は私たち
I think they were stuck in there even longer
Yeah,
before that.
seriously.
今回のことを報告しに行って
Okay, I thought these dorks were gonna kick it, but I guess they're still alive. I guess I have to learn to love them.
No, you don't.
新人歓迎会
そう4課全員集まったことないしさ親睦を深めつつ今抱えている問題をなくしましょうよ
問題
それがさ小紅ちゃんと新井君が公安やめる
Oh, okay, bye.
See ya, fucking dorks.
デンジ君を殺そうとしちゃって悔いてるんだろうけ
Yeah.
姫の先輩
Denji
の
doesn't give a
殺
shit
そうとしてたじゃん
though.
No.
どねえそんくらいでやめちゃうんだわ今の子はずうずうしく生き
Petty?
そうよね
Petty?
Yeah.
This is
そんな
normal?
子ならさっさとデンジ君に謝れるし小紅ちゃんたちを引き止められるでしょ
Oh,
あんた飲みたいだけでしょ
what is that he
小
collected?
さいけど肉片ありました
Must be of the bullet.
Gun?
なら絶対に今週ですね
んなんで
どうせ飲むならマキマさんと飲みたい
Uh oh.
Look at ma.
A little bit of love triangle.
来週からマキマさん京都出張デンジが悪魔に狙われた件で応援求めに行くらしいですだから飲むなら今週がいい
正直さデンジ君って何者だと思う
Badass
相
bitch.
手の悪魔が
Seriously.
デンジ君のこと知ってたみたいだしあんな姿も初めて見たよ一番謎なのがあのマキマさんがデンジ君を気にかけてること
Because she has her own.
Oh, I can't
plans.
wait to know more for her story
Makima-san.
too, right?
あちこちに行くのに最近は東京にいるのってデンジ君がいるからでしょ
Tokyo.
デンジ君の秘密を知ってるからなのかも
Oh, is that why she's buttering up like really crazy?
マキマさん
Because she
に
knows what makes him so special. Maybe that's why.
Could be. She also said she'd fuck him if everything went right with the gun devil.
Yeah, I know
so-
that part, but she did downplay like his abilities. She's just like, you're gonna be one of us. But if she knows knowledge that he's more powerful than like others, then
Yeah. Yeah.
she knows something.
When are we going to Japan?
うまね
I don't want to now.
飲むの半
Kind
年
of
ぶりです
crazy. It's
私も
intimidating though.
Sashimi, let's go.
なんこれうまそう
You tried to
Oh,
run
you
away.
didn't quit?
こっちおいでマキマさん遅れてくるって
パフェ3つ
Who's this guy?
白玉温泉3つで
Who's this chick?
I don't know.
ペちゃんお金ほとんど家入れてるもんねたくさん食べな
Yeah, that'd be
さん
me.
とこの
Give
マ
me
シ
that
ンは
fried
連れて
chicken.
こなかったんですか
Exactly how I use chopsticks as well.
It is, sadly, yes, it is.
ほら若いんだからもっと頼め食え
あーくそ読める
You're asking the wrong dude.
Oh, he can't even read.
あのキスの件は
おおシラフじゃ恥ずかしいからさもっと酔ったらしてあげる
Ew!
Oh god damn! Another win for Denji!
I love what he does. He has his like sharp teeth and everything.
ああもう超
She just said she's gonna give him an intense one.
新人歓迎会なんだから新人は立って自己紹介名前と年齢と契約してる悪魔言え
公共の場で契約している悪魔を言うな
Looks like the anime version of Sylvester Stallone.
にしか見せちゃいけないぞ
相変わらず硬いやつだな
まあ大丈夫大丈夫でしょ
Yeah.
私は趣味聞きたい
Oh
な
my god.
趣味で人間わかるでしょ
俺デンジ年は確か16趣味は食うのと寝るの
Does she think he's older?
バカ
あんた酒飲んでないよね
お茶
私は荒井宏和です22歳
He's only 16? I didn't know that.
Yeah.
趣味は俳句です
ハヤパイと契約してる悪魔は同じじゃん。
狐の悪魔は人間に友好的だからたくさんの
That's interesting.
契約している。
There's contracts with a lot of them, so it's not just him that uses it then.
あの悪魔面食いだから。
東山小紅です。20歳です。
Funny, okay.
契約してる悪魔は秘密で、趣味は美味しいものを食べることです。
Me too.
服かわいいよね。
服はお姉ちゃんのお下がりです。
フシさんとこの新人は？
残念ですが昨日亡くなりました。
Fuck.
南無阿弥陀仏。法令方言下教。
Yeah, she's getting lit.
What's wrong with
そ
her?
んな簡単に死ぬんですか？
民間で無理だった悪魔が公安に任されるからな。
まあバンバン死んでくよね。私の同期ももう公安。
Oh, she's about to have a breakdown?
デンジ君は私とキスしたいから死なないもんね。
姫野は酔えばキスマになるんだ。
Yeah, she does.
いる新人以外みんな姫野にキスされてるよ。逃げられねえからな。
Does he not want it anymore?
There's no escaping.
確定キスじゃん。
Oh god.
今日ファーストキスしちゃうんだ。
Dude grabbed the tip before he had his first
Let's
kiss?
go.
マキマさん。
His other girl. He's
生
confused.
一つお願いします。
マキマさんここにどうぞ。
本物のマキマさん初めて見た。デンジ君、誰かとキスするの？
Alright.
Ah, he's jealous.
キスしないの？
しまーす。
I do. He's so conflicted.
生もう一つ。
Dude, he's winning at life, I think. His life is fucked up and sucks, but with the
Yeah.
girls?
するとかマキマさんに見られたくない。
チーしないの？
でも同じくらい強い気持ちでやっぱりベロキスしたい。
I wouldn't French kiss him. You'd bite your fucking tongue off.
マキマさん、俺さ、
Look at those
銃の
teeth.
悪魔のなんちゃら拾いましたよ。
聞いたよ。デンジ君はすごいね。
前までこんな速いペースで肉片を持つ悪魔は現れませんでした。この間の
Yeah,
デ
I
ンジを
like
狙
it.
った
Something
悪魔
about
と
her
いい
look.
最近少し悪魔の
Which
動
one?
きが怪しい。
Akima.
マキマさんはデンジのこと
She's so like relaxed and like same expression in her eyes. What the fuck?
To me, she seems extremely calculated.
Yeah.
Like
But
everything
it's turning
she
me on.
does.
Oh my god.
私より飲んだ。
Can you do something after the video? Like, do you have to?
すいません生2つ。
Calm down.
私もそれやる。生もう一つ。バサス、唐揚げ、バサス。
唐揚げ。
Worse me.
God damn.
All right.
すいません。
Makima's just killing it.
Dude, another.
でもすごいよパワちゃん。殺人衝動を抑えられてる魔人はとっても少ないんだよ。
私は IQ が高いからね。
IQ で決まるの？そういうの。IQ どのくらいあるの？
100？
100って高いの？私も確か100ぐらいだったけど。
じゃあ120じゃん。
Yeah.
134でした。
I like the vibe. The
わざわ
music's
ざ覚
getting
え
me
てるなん
going.
て自慢に思ってそう。
わしは確か500じゃったか。
Yeah.
Here comes the kiss.
Oh,
おや、
Oh.
Trevor, look away.
見られちゃ
Look
っ
at it. She's drinking as. Oh my god.
Jesus
They're twisting
Christ.
it up. Ooh.
気持ちいい。柔らかい。
It's so
柔ら
good,
か
so
なん
soft.
だこれ。下？口の中でとろけてるぞ。
It's melting my mouth.
じゃない。消えろだ。
Oh, did she? Oh my! I'm gonna puke. Oh.
あらら、
Ah,
すいません。
way to ruin my you know what. God damn it.
Oh my god.
不思議な栄養になればもう飲み込む癖があるんじゃ。
Oh my god. Denji. Oh.
Oh, that made my stomach turn.
I think the puke's grosser than them eating garbage right now, honestly.
見ろ、ポチだ。ネズミが酔っ払いのゲロに集まってら。
Are you gonna go?
信じられねえよな。同
Okay.
じ哺乳類として情けねえぜ。
Oh,
No, you're just vomiting up someone else's vomit. This is fucking disgusting.
oh, I want to gag.
When other people puke, I want to puke.
仕事帰りの酔った母さんをよく介抱してたんだ。お前みたいにデビルハンターの才能はなかったな。羨ましいよ。
羨ましいだと。こっちやよ。ファーストキスはゲロの味だぜ。それを羨ましい。
Vomit devil. Dude, it was a hot kiss before she fucking yickety yacked in your mouth.
Dude, that was
早
unexpected.
川家は私が送ってい
I
た
didn't see that coming.
No.
姫野ちゃんをお願いね
I'm like, this is gonna get more sexual. I guess some people like that.
Do not
My
until you
cup of
try
tea.
it.
お酒が一番美味しいですね
ね
あれデンジ君は
デンジ君なら姫野先輩が背負って連れて行きましたよ。
Huh. Is he drunk
暗い。
or just fucked up by the puke?
I don't even know.
水。そういえば、ゲロ女にゲロキスされたんだ。
Yeah, man.
水。
Oh my god, it's her. Oh my god, what's going on?
Is he about to get fucking laid?
Is this real?
あれ
Wait, how old is she?
デンジ君なんで私ん家にいんのあ私が連れてきたんだっけ
What is happening?
She brought him there. This
That's what they
No!
said.
クラする。
don't.
なんじゃこりゃ。
そういや君マキマさんのことラブでしょ
Bro.
ク
What
ラ
is
クラ
going
す
on?
る。
あんなクソ女やめときゃいいのにもうマキ君も
Oh shit.
もう牛
She's smashed. But horny, I think, because she just kidnapped a teen.
Oh fuck.
What's going He's like, what's going on? I gotta say, the animation, the way they move feels really, like, real.
Did you just get laid?
Is she
Oh,
just-
I love this.
This is cool.
Oh, I don't want to end the video.
Ooh, damn.
So Denji's getting laid?
Apparently, he just got kidnapped by a beautiful older woman. And if that was reversed, that would sound gross.
That's
but
okay
that
too.
sounds like a dream. That's all I gotta say. After like a sick, like he just kicked ass, right? Then went out with his new friends, started drinking beer, getting drunk for the first time. Like that's fun, great vibes. Makes out with another hot girl,
Yep.
sick, right? But then she pukes in his fucking
Yeah,
mouth.
sick literally. Yeah.
So, which was still, I was about to say still hot. No, I was like, she's still, I don't know. That didn't bother me so much. But if that happened to me, okay, it'd be a different story, right? But then
I can push through.
yeah, but then they're like, oh, where'd Denji go? Makima's, where'd Denji go? And they're like, oh, what's her name? Himeno? Yeah,
Yeah.
Himeno. She freaking kidnaps Denji. And then like Denji, I thought this was the morning after. Denji's like laying in bed, like
Yeah.
he's like, I'm so dizzy. Puke in my mouth. What's going on? Where am I? And then she walks in and she's just like half naked, looking fine. And then
Still
at the way
drinking.
still drinking, and they're in the bed, and he's still kind of out of it and confused. She starts feeling his face, and then it just ends with her saying, "Let's do it."
In a manly voice. Let's do it.
And scene. That's when the dirty stuff happens. But I don't know if it's gonna happen. And plus, I'm curious what her age is. Because
I think we missed it. I think we either missed it or she didn't say it.
And I was shocked. Like I don't know if they said it before, if that was the only time, but I didn't realize Denji was only 16.
No, I didn't know that
These
either.
anime characters always so fucking young, like
Have you
Tanjiro
noticed
and
that
shit.
too?
Tanjiro, I thought was like, I was picturing I was Tanjiro,
Aaron,
and then he's like,
Denji.
"Oh, I'm fucking 14." I'm like, "What's going on?" Okay.
Think about it though.
Yeah.
Izuku, Aaron, Tanjiro, like
They're all so young, dramatic as fuck.
I don't understand why that is, but apparently it's a thing. So
It's just because it's a darker story, right?
yeah, and we also got to see him defeat the devil today. So that was really
Yeah.
cool. That was a
That was
fucking
really cool.
sick thing. Went on for 3
Sick
days
fight.
or more.
And it was mayhem, and we keep learning he keeps being powerful as fuck. He was just drinking up that devil's blood, and he could just regenerate and keep fighting.
Yeah,
so,
no, he got a helping hand, literally, but like he was
Yeah.
still pushing his way for 3 days, man. 3
Crazy.
days, right? That's the thing. Like, and now it's like, I think we're getting closer to the Gun Devil. I think it's gonna be a thing though that comes at the end of the season. I don't think it's gonna be a thing. I don't think it's gonna be a thing that comes out next episode.
Yeah.
Right. So we might have a little bit of time to wait, but I'm fucking okay with that because these episodes have been absolutely great. All right, but before we leave, guys, if you want to drop a like and subscribe down below, it'd be greatly appreciated. Bringing a Chainsaw Man every Tuesday. We also got Discord, Twitter, Instagram, and Patreon down the links for you down below. And until next time, guys.
See you guys.
See you later.